Hello. Here is a project that my coworker and I have been working on for the students, a Latin America project, so the students can work on. So we got together and we kind of decided what we wanted to do. Some of this was done in person, but because she works at a different school, we haven't been able to meet in person the whole time. So what we did is we shared I shared the project, and then as you see here on the side, I will show you. My coworker has been editing. Here it is on the side. All right, she's been editing a part of this. So we started it on the 9th. I worked on the 11th. We've talked a few times, and she put some edits in there for me today, so I could look at it. Some suggestions that we did. So I'll go down a little bit and show you a little bit more of that. So this Latin American project has some SMART objectives. It has two parts to it. It has a flip book and Google Slides because students work with a partner to create this. So we want to make sure that they both have an assignment to work on. So there you could see the edits. All right, so that's the first thing that we show here. We have some due dates here so the students know when things are due, and that they could move on as they finish up. So as you notice on all these parts, it has student 1, student 2. We have specific details about what they need to do on each one of the parts that we have here, so that nobody's sitting there looking at the other student. This way everybody has an assignment. As I keep scrolling here, you will notice, for example, here on part 3, my coworker went in and she added some suggestions in there, or she added a comment in there to make sure that the students have been given the tools or resources on how to cite their work, because we want to make sure that when they use information from maybe the internet, that they properly cited. So she is reminding me that we need to make sure we have that. Further down here on current events also, her suggestion is, would prefer the students create a Google slide presentation, or would it be best for students to turn in a short essay style response? All right, so those are the two things that we're probably going to have to figure out. What is the best thing for the students so we could hit those objectives. All right, so this is one way that two people can work on a project, or two people can work on an assignment or anything, and you don't have to meet. You could just share the doc. Thank you.